back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. I am super excited. I'm actually going to be doing quite a few videos today. I will not be posting all of them today, so if you see over the next few days that I post videos where I have the same makeup and jewelry and everything, that is why. I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out, and then that way I'll have stuff to post for you guys every day. But I am so excited. We are just a few days away from the 1,000 subscriber giveaway ending. So if you have not already, please do make sure you enter the contest. And if you are new, welcome. And I hope that you will subscribe and join our wonderful little family here on YouTube. And make sure you enter as well once you have subscribed. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get into what has been the long anticipated, yet I know you guys have probably seen 100 other, the September 2018 BoxyCharm. I am so excited that this finally arrived. Hurricane Florence has delayed quite a few packages this month, but I am so ready to dive in here and see what I got. I have seen so many spoilers, so I do know pretty much what will be in here, or what could be in here, and I am seriously hoping for the Kanken Henry Lippy because it looks absolutely beautiful. But we're gonna go ahead and we are gonna get our little friend here, Mr. Box Cutter, and we are going to dive in and see what we finally got. So, all right, we're going to open. We have the card on top as always, and the theme for this month for September 2018 is Wildflower. And I can see that I got variation number 2, but we're still gonna wait and see. Okay, so when you open it, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see right here. Yay! Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and dive in. For those of you that do not know, BoxyCharm is a monthly beauty subscription. It is $21 a month, and you receive 4 to 5, generally 4, full-sized beauty, generally 5 full-size beauty items. And 9 times out of 10, most of the items themselves are more than $21. So it's well worth it. It does always come with when you unfold the pamphlet, it tells you each item you got in your box and the value, which is great. So I will definitely be letting you guys know about that. But we're just gonna go ahead and hop in, and we're gonna start right here on top with the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten. This is a retail value of $28. I got the color Tropic Hues. And then this is the packaging. And this blush, you guys, is absolutely gorgeous. It does have like a half mirror right here, but so that I don't blind you, I'm just gonna show you here. Do you see that? It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh, I love how it's like the marble effect going on. Let's do, that is just so gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this. Okay. So we're gonna move right along, and we got the Alamar Hojitos brush set made with 100% synthetic fibers. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. And then, so it just kind of explains like each brush. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together, and then the flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. These are $18. So let's open them up. Love getting brushes. I don't think you can have too many brushes, especially when it comes to like eyeshadow brushes. So here are the brushes. They have this beautiful coppery, rose gold, almost coppery here, and they are very soft. And this one is very fluffy. So I'm so excited to try these. So yay for that. And then we're just gonna go ahead and get to it because I know you guys saw it. I did. I got the Hank and Henry Lippy. I am so excited. When I saw this and how beautiful it was, I was like, oh my gosh, I really, really hope I get that one. So, it's the Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. Have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented longwear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. This is a $17 value. And I got the pedal pusher. So, and what I love, I think the packaging is super adorable because it is a liquid lipstick, but looks can be deceiving. Look at that. So, we are gonna just do a little, because I already have lipstick on. If I had known for sure that this was in here, I would not have put lipstick on. How beautiful is that color, you guys? Seriously. Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, and then the next product we got, if I can get it out of the box, is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Create precise, ultrafine winged liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all of the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick drying smudge. Sorry guys, something happened with my camera. So we're gonna finish here with the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. Created with a longevity complex, this quick drying smudge proof formula is guaranteed to last, and this is a $19 value. So here you can see, and I'm super excited to try this. My favorite eyeliner is by Butter London, but it's actually like a pencil that you have to sharpen, but it is the creamiest and smoothest, just most amazing eyeliner, and I love it. So hopefully I will love this product from them just as much. And that is so cute. It's like a little wheel. And we'll just, oh wow. It does give you some straight lines. I'm excited to try this, play with this and see. So let's get to our fifth and final item. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. Made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. Value of this is $35. And how gorgeous. I mean, the packaging is just gorgeous. And it has a very nice size mirror here. But you guys, these colors, oh my goodness. These are absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to do some looks with these. This is so fall appropriate, and I am so excited. I think this is just, again, let's just take a moment here. These are so beautiful. So I am, oh, I just can't. I'm blown away yet again by BoxyCharm. And I'm so, like I said, just so tickled that I got the Hank and Henry Lippy. I was so excited. I know there were other variations of lip products from different companies you could have received. I really like that I got the Laura Geller blush because I know there was the Girlactic option and it was more of a cream and more of like a highlighter, so I'm super excited to have gotten that product. And the Butter London Stroke of Wow eyeliner, you could have, instead of that, you could have received, and I'm honestly not sure of the brand off the top of my head, but it was an eyeshadow primer. And even though the eyeliner is a little different, I'm actually glad I got that because I already have some eyeshadow primer and it's not something that I necessarily use all the time, whereas eyeliner is like a go-to for me. So I'm definitely excited to try a different style of eyeliner. So I am thrilled with BoxyCharm this month. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Like I said, it is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5, but like I said, generally 5 full-size beauty items, and the value of the box always far exceeds the $21. It's usually at least over $100 value. So if you're trying to build a makeup collection or you just love makeup, I definitely, like I said, recommend this, and the link will be below for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk with you guys at the next video. Bye.